Hi guys, welcome to new tutorial. My name is Ahmed and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to transfer files from phone to PC or from PC to phone without cable in just few simple steps. Okay, first download Wi-Fi FTP server app. I leave you a download app link in the description or in the pinned comment. Okay, once you install the app on your phone, open it and you'll get it like that. Then tap start, then tap allow access to, etc. Then make sure your PC and your mobile are connected to the same Wi-Fi, okay? Then click on this PC, then right click, then click on show more options, then add network location, then hit next again, then enter server URL as shown here in this box. Then click on next again, give it a name if you want, then click on next, then click on finish. Now, if you want to transfer files or anything from your PC to phone, just drag it like that. And if you want to transfer files or anything from your phone to PC, just drag it like that, okay? And like that, you can transfer anything from your phone to PC or from your PC to phone without cable in just few simple steps, okay? Okay guys, hope you find this tutorial useful and helpful, and if you do, then please like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video. Bye.